Hey guys, what's up? Buster Burger here, and today we are. I don't know what we're doing today. What are we doing today, Mr. Weird Fish? What are we doing today? What are we doing today? Hey, you're gonna tell me what we're doing today. Well, you're gonna tell me. You gotta tell me. You gotta tell me. Max. We. Today we are doing one in the chamber. Basically, you get a wooden sword, a bow, and a bow with one arrow. And you suck. I suck at this game. Basically, you get one bow, one arrow, and one wooden sword for when you are done. And then, basically, you fight to the death with other people. Damn it! And your bow does one-shot kill. And your bow does one-shot kill while you are playing the game. And the little red stone on the bottom is your life left. Right now I have about 5 lives left. And now I'm going to walk up to these people and try to kill them. Oh shit, someone just killed me. Now I'm going to shoot this guy in the back of the head. God damn it, I missed. Now I'm going to hunt him down and kill his eat-his flesh. Going to... Did I kill... I didn't even kill him. Now I must go and feast on Max's flesh because he did not tell me what we were doing today. Damn it, Max, you suck. I will kill you, Max, and eat your eyeballs for dinner. They look very tasty and large. They look extra large. Thank you for sharing today. I am going to... Now I shall kill whoever the hell that guy's name is. And I freaking missed because I suck at this game. Alright, let's continue on to try and kill this guy. Spike. Damn it! You stole my kill! You stole my freaking kill! What is that from? You stole it. Damn it! I suck at this game. I suck. And as Buster Burger finished the game, dead on the floor, saying his last words, he realized that he sucked at this game. Thank you for your time. Anyway, guys, we'll see you guys in the next round. Hello, everybody, and we are back with round 2, where I am going to shoot some people in the face. Not specifically anybody, but just anybody that I come across, I'm going to shoot them in the face. No matter what. Like this guy right here. Damn it, I missed. Now I'm going to kill Nanbot, and now I'm going to kill, I think I just lost. I'm just going to say it. Wait, I have oh, fuck. Anyway, we are going to continue. Even though I am very pissed off with this because I spent an hour trying to get onto one of these servers, and now I am losing horribly. That apparently was not my kill. I am very pissed off right now, but I'm going to keep a very mellow mood for the video. When really, if I wasn't recording, I would probably throw my monitor across the room. Just saying. Now I'm going to hit this weird fire thing in the face, and that was actually my kill. Okay, now we are going to continue. Screw you! Alright, we have 3 lives left, and now we are going on to go and try and kill this guy. And I missed horribly. Now I'm going to go kill this guy before he steals him. And I really hate you. I swear. Alright, now we are going to continue because I am seriously pissed off right now, wasting my time trying to go on these Oh, I actually... Okay, why do I have... Anyway, I swear to God, I am going to give me a freaking second. Get them. Okay, now I'm spectating. Bye. Give me a second. Alright, and we're back playing. I can't even remember what the hell we're playing. We are playing One in the Chamber, and I am going to sneeze in any minute now. And it is going to be interesting content because shoot, damn it, I sneezed all over the goddamn monitor. Now I have to wipe it off with my goddamn freaking shirt. Shoot! Fuck. Holy shit. Alright. That seems clean enough for now. While I am getting over a cold. Oh shit, now I freaking died again. Alright, I am not in the mood right now to do anything, because I am just... Fudge Knuckles! Fudge Knuckles, you god. There he is. There he is. You stupid bastard. You suck. And I'm now going to kick that guy in the face for freaking I hate you all. I am now going to camp on top of this very tall building because I suck at this game so much. But that's not interesting content, so I'm not going to do that. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's do this. As those youngsters would say, let's do this. Damn it! With the burst! Oh, great. Now the freaking... I'm gonna wipe off my screen because it is filled with spit. Maybe I can find a safe spot. Maybe I can go over here. Or I'm about to sneeze again. Fuck. Ah, shit. Oh, crap. Good, at least I'm not sneezing anymore. I feel like I'm going to, though. Stop it. Elite Chris, you are about to be terminated. Burn! Now the pun doesn't make any sense because screw this. And as Buster realized that he really sucked at PvP, he paused the recording to wait for the next. Alright, and after Buster cleaned his nose, wiped off all of the snot off of his computer screen, and then went down to go take some pills for his weird condition, which people often call... God damn it, I didn't sneeze. Shit. Cold! Okay. What the... No, you suck! You suck! I don't like you! You suck! You suck! Yeah, that's right, you go die in a hole. Damn it. Phew, okay, I'm not sneezing at him. As Buster stopped sneezing at his computer screen, he still realized that he was doing very poor. What the hell? What the hell? Oh, okay. And as Buster got even more shit on his computer screen, he realized that he is actually very sick and probably shouldn't be recording. But he has promised his viewers 1 video a day, and that's what he's going to give them. No matter if it's a rage or just him acting stupid. Okay. And I think this will end our playthrough of... Okay, guys, I'll see you guys next time. I'm Buster Burger, and I'll see you guys next time.